Hello everyone, it's me Kim of Love at Home, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of Disneyland's most sought after desserts. You guessed it, it's Dole Whip. So let's go.
Before we start with the recipe, I hope you guys would consider pausing this video really quick and subscribe to my channel because I post a lot of lifestyle videos, cooking, and cleaning motivation every Tuesday and Thursday. Thank you so much, and let's get right into the recipe. These are my ingredients for today. We have some frozen pineapples, so it's the actual fruit, not from the can. And we also have a bit of vanilla ice cream, 100% pineapple juice, so we didn't buy the one with sugar, just 100% juice, and milk, which is optional if you want it to be a little bit more creamy.
So first I'm just gonna add the frozen pineapple. So I won't be measuring it, but I'll just eyeball it. And then I'll be adding the vanilla ice cream. So you can just add any vanilla ice cream you want. And pineapple juice. So as for the pineapple juice, it's also good that it's cold when you serve it or when you mix it here. So everything's kind of frozen and cold and all. It's more refreshing that way. So I'm not gonna measure it too. I mean, whenever I cook or make something, I usually just eyeball everything. And then I'm just gonna have to mix it all together first. Turn it off for a while, give it a mix, and then turn it back on. Oops. I'm gonna put the rest of it inside. Probably just a bit. And then I'm just gonna add a bit of pineapple juice. And just a dash of milk. This is where I got the pineapple, the frozen pineapple, and I just froze this in the freezer. So I'm gonna use this as a container for the Dole Whip. Okay. And there you have it, Dole Whip. What do you think?
Great. Thanks, hon.
You're welcome. Now I gotta go get there before my husband finishes it. So I'll see you next time.